Hello, dear students. Welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Training and Doping in Sports. And today's topic, which we are going to learn, that is stretching exercise and effects of limbering down. It is also known as effect cooling down. Clear? So we are going to learn what are the stretching exercise for cooling down and what are the effects of cooling down. So let's start. So there are the stretching exercise for limbering down or cooling down. So the best exercise, it has been seen that the best stretching exercise for this cooling down is static stretching. In this static stretching, we are having different exercise, but we are going to learn one by one few of the exercise which are being beneficial for cooling down after the sports competition or after training or after practice. So first we are having hamstring. Now you can find out these hamstring muscles which are being lifted up. So here in the picture you can see the muscles which are being lifted up. You can see in the yellow I am showing with the cursor. This is being considered as hamstring muscles. So hamstring stretch. So what you are going to do, you can do the exercise by your own. This she is performing with the help of some of the material in his leg, and then afterwards stretching towards herself. So here it has been given that what is the method which we are going to do. So lay on your back, raise and straighten your one leg directly above the hip. Clear? Holding the calf and the thigh, press the heel towards the ceiling. The heel is being pressed towards the ceiling. As soon as you pull your leg toward your chest, do the same stretch with the next leg. So this is the one of the exercise which are been used for a good hamstring stretch is been given with the help of this exercise. This exercise can be done while sitting also, but it has been shown as it has been directed. Then second stretch exercise is been given, that is of chest. In that you need to stand straight. Interlace or interlock your finger behind your back. As you straighten your arms, lift your chin towards the ceiling. Little bit you need to lift your chin towards the ceiling part to the top, and you need to stretch your both the arms backward. So here the chest is being pulled forward. So this is going to give a good stretch to your chest. So this is what, see, these are the exercise which are being shown, and with the help of these exercise, if you practice, and then you will come to know that which of the muscles are being getting more pressure. So these are the muscles which are being named as given here. Clear? Then we are having glute muscles. So lying on your back, crossing your right leg over and bend the left knee. Then bring the left knee to the chest, holding on to the back of your thigh. See, here it is been shown. Here they have holded the left leg, and then afterwards it is being brought towards his chest. So gently pressing the right knee widen. Then do the same stretch by changing the position of the leg. So here the glute muscles, as the cursor I am going, these are the buttock part, these are the glute muscles. Clear? It has been stretched. When you used to perform this exercise, you will come to know that which of the muscles are being stretched. Clear? You will come to know. So you need to once you need to do this exercise, then you need to check whether which of the muscles are being stretched well. Then we are having quadriceps. The quadricep muscle, the quad muscles, that is our thigh muscles. Lying on your right side, pull the left heel. Put the left heel towards the left glute, feeling the stretch in front of your thigh. Thereafter repeat with the same right leg. Clear? So see, you can see these muscles are being considered as glute muscles, quadricep muscles. So how it is being stretched, you can see, lie down on one of the side. You can see the position, and then the stretch is been given. You may feel a good stretch on this thigh part. These are the quadricep muscles are being stretched well. Then we are having triceps. Now take one arm overhead and bend it at your elbow. Clear? Joint and extend the palm downward. Bend the center of your back, gently pulling the elbow with the opposite hand. You can see here one of the elbow which is being bent, and with the opposite hand, with the right hand, she is pulling. So take these arms across the chest, gently pulling the elbow joints to extend through the shoulder. Then do it again by changing the position of the arms. So you can see that which are the tricep muscles. So you can, I am showing you with this cursor, these are the considered as a triceps muscle. Clear? The outside. You practice, you will get a stretch of your tricep muscles. So by doing this exercise, you will also feel, and you can write by your own also, that how you are going to have a stretch on your tricep muscles, or different types of muscles, how you are going to stretch. Clear? So you can practice by your own, and you can feel, and you can write by your own. It is not compulsory that whatever it is been given you write on the same, but you can write in your own words also, but that must be clear. Okay, then let's have the effects of the limbering down. Now, what are the effects of the limbering down or cooling down? So heart rate and the blood pressure becomes normal. If a person who has been involved in cooling down exercise or cooling down stretching, then the heart rate and the blood pressure becomes normal, because during the game and during the competition, the heart rate and the blood pressure level is high. So this cooling down is very much essential. The people, many of the people, they are not doing the cooling down after the practice or training or competition, but it must be performed. It is very much essential, because it brings your heart rate and blood pressure to the normal. Then we are having high breathing during the play, during the sports competitions. So this breathing also becomes normal while limbering down, because as it was been suggested that a person must involve himself or herself for 5 to 10 minutes of jogging, then afterwards 5 to 20 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes of this stretching exercise. Then we are having normalize the body temperature. So this cooling down is very much essential, because it helps us in bringing down, or in bringing the body temperature to the normal level. So that's why it is being given that it normalizes the body temperature, because the body temperature used to rise when a person is uh, playing any of the sports competitions, or during the practice. The body temperature used to rise, because due to the blood circulation is more and the all over the body part, so the temperature also used to rise. So it also helps, the cooling down helps to normalize the body temperature. Then we are having that blood flow becomes normal. The blood which has been flowing, that also used to come to rest. So blood flow becomes normal. Then adrenaline hormones level becomes normal in the body. Adrenaline hormone level becomes normal in the body. This is also one of the effect of the cooling down. Then muscle relax and come back to its normal state, because when we are playing when we are involved in the any of the competition or practice, our muscles are being working. We are having working muscles continuously. It is working for a longer time period, so it must be given the rest. So relaxation of the muscle is very much essential. So it has been only been possible with the help of this cooling down. So muscle relaxes and come back to its normal position, normal state. Because when you know that whenever a person has been involved either in any of the game, for example, if an athlete, they used to have a 100-meter run. So what happened, that their leg muscles, their arm muscles are being stretched well. They lengthen, their length is also there, because they will be having a good stride when they are running. So these muscles which are being lengthened, that used to come to the normal position during this cooling down process. So muscle relaxes and come back to its normal state. So these are the effects of the limbering down or cooling down. So we have learned related to the stretching exercise during the cooling down or limbering down, and we also learned the effects of this limbering down. So you can do the exercise, and you can feel that which muscles are being stretched, and these muscles are being named as it is been given here. Clear? And these are the effects. So you can prepare the notes on the basis of this. From my side today, this much. Thank you everyone.